Hey guys, it's Alicia. Now today I am going to be cleaning this disgusting fridge. It is gross from the outside to the in. I wipe this down constantly, but I haven't done like a deep clean on it in quite a bit. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, now once I've got everything out, I like to take out the shelves and clean them up real good in the sink with some soapy vinegar water, and then I will wipe down the whole inside of the fridge. And before I put all this stuff back, I like to just wipe down the bottoms of it so that I'm not putting dirty stuff back in my clean fridge. And that is it for the inside. It is super nice to have a clean fridge and know what's in here. I've got another fridge out in my garage and it's pretty full too. This one actually doesn't have a whole ton of stuff in it, but that one in the garage will have to wait for another day. So then the last thing I'm gonna do is just clean down the outside of this real quick. And that's it, guys. Fridge all clean. Anyway, I hope this was motivating for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.